Oh, okay, his is court cost plus interest.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
all right,
he,
we can do him first, John. That's all.
well, if he would have called us, I could have told him he doesn't need to come, that, unless he had some kind of disagreement with the totals, but. He'll just have to wait and get. A little bit under, half his.
The Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session on today's date, April 9th, 2025 at 1:30 p.m. The court is in session on its bond forfeiture docket. Mr. Bailiff, would you please go call the docket?
Pronounce Mario's last name, is that Casillas?
Yeah, Casillas.
Casillas?
Yes.
That's it.
Okay, yeah, Mario Casillas. Okay, this is cause number 134608. Case is style State of Texas versus Mario Casillas. Mr. Casillas,
Yes.
your full name is Mario Casillas?
Garcia.
Huh?
Mario Casillas Garcia.
Mario Casillas Garcias. Okay, how are you doing? Okay, that's fine. Now, would you please raise your right hand? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may put your hand down. Stake, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, we're here to have a hearing on entry of a final judgment in citation number 134608. It's the state of Texas versus Mr. Mario Casillas. This case is one where Mr. Casillas was arrested during the 180-day time period to be rearrested. And accordingly, we're asking that the court enter judgment for court costs plus interest on the bond, which the court cost, or the interest is $148.77, and have the county clerk office calculate what the court costs are.
Okay. And Mr. Casillas, you have any objections to, or any answer to what the state is saying? Okay. So that judgment will be granted?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. And I guess I can submit it to you now.
Okay.
If you would, when you leave, go down to the county clerk's office and talk to them to make sure that they have your address correct. Because that's where they'll end up mailing the check. I don't even know how much was your bond?
I believe it was 500.
500. Okay, so you should get back
A little less than the 250, a little less than that.
a little less than half. Okay, all right.
250.
Yeah, I don't know what the numbers are, but
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah.
So from here, I'll go down.
Yes, it's right below this court.
Yeah, anyway, and then once they get this, just make sure that they have your correct address.
There you
and
go.
got the paperwork and tell them.
That's the judgment.
That's where they need to.
Might need to get him.
All right.
All right,
Let me ask you here, are we gonna send that downstairs to them? They need that to get the, well.
Yeah, it's gonna take a little
Yeah, it's not gonna give it
check.
to them today.
yeah, it's not gonna be today.
Okay.
You have something with your court, with your case number on it?
Yes, you remember?
Okay, you could just show that to them.
Oh,
Okay, you could just tell them that you just came from upstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
We good? Yeah, we're just gonna give him a copy of that.
Oh, okay, yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
Yeah, copy of the judgment so you can see what the numbers are.
That's just an old thing.
Oh, okay.
It,
Court costs much
the
lower
court-
and,
Yeah,
okay, okay. Well, good. I'm glad we got you. We can get rid of that.
Okay, Mr. Casillas, you can stand in front of the court coordinator and get the judgment. Once you get your judgment, you are free to go downstairs and you have a blessed day.
Your Honor, the state of Texas would ask that the court take judicial notice of its bond forfeiture docket for today's date, excluding Mr. Casillas's case.
Okay, the court will take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture docket
And
for
we'd-
today excluding Mr. Mario Casillas' case.
and we'd ask that the court, again, with that exclusion, take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture cases and the underlying criminal cases listed on the court's docket.
Okay, the court will take judicial notice of the bond forfeiture cases and the underlying criminal cases.
And with that, we'd ask that the court enter judgment accordingly.
Judgment shall be entered according.
We have the judgments for you, Your Honor.
Okay. This will conclude the calling of the bond forfeiture docket in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone, please have a blessed day.